Alright, welcome to our first box break of Stadium Club 2007-2008 NBA basketball cards.
Yes,
I think we get a 4 autos and 8 relics, I believe, on average. So let's open her up.
First one of these for us this year.
I really haven't seen too many of these on YouTube, so I don't know what to expect, to be honest. I've seen that the Beam team's back, but that's about it. So let's go, let's have a look. Hopefully we get some...
too overexcited.
No, but we will. If we get a good hit, we'll be screaming from the rafters. 6 cards a pack. Here we go.
First issue.
Bill Walton, first issue. Get this so you guys can see it. Dominic Maguire, that'd be the rookie cards, I'd say. Numbered 9999. Oh, Andre, Beam team, jersey. I don't think they're numbered. No. And some base. These are nice cards. As always, these boxes provided to us by Jake at David Adams Card World. dacardworld.com is where you'll find them. Elton Brand first day issue. Gabe Pruitt rookie card. Yao Ming Beam team jersey. Nice, Bill Russell here. Allen Iverson first issue.
Aye.
Jermaine Davison rookie. Oh, nice. Channing Frye, Beam team auto. There's your Daniel Gibson for you, Chase.
First Gibson I've seen today.
And it's nice base card. Nice base card. And first issue there. Here we go. Andre Bagnani, first issue. Morris Armand rookie. Oh, Aaron Brooks rookie auto.
X-Factor.
Don't know, we're going to have a look. X-Factor, but not numbered.
What's that?
Yeah, was. Oh, sad to see him in there. I hope he wins a ring though. Well, first day issue of Alston. Al Horford, rookie. Nice.
Dang.
Luau Dang. Beam team. So that'll be another Beam team relic. Ray Allen first issue. Al Horford again, just in case the first one wasn't good enough. Shaquille O'Neal Beam team. Nice. Thanks, Shaq. Larry Bird base. Working through them, 12 packs I believe. I don't even know if there's a Odin in this one. I assume there will be. Corey Brewer, you beauty. Oh, my first day issue, yeah, Stoudemire. Sorry, Stoudemire, but Corey Brewer. That's my man. My boy. Oh, we've got an auto coming up, so let's have a look. Beam Team auto. Who the heck is that?
He's kind of right, actually.
Turk. Pronounce his name for me.
No.
Alright. There's his name.
He's racking them up this year, though.
I'm not even going to try and pronounce it.
Apologies again.
Yeah, apologies. If his mum's watching, I'm sorry. Kobe. LeBron James first day issue. Sweet. Sweet. And LeBron's sweet, as we said. Sammy, rookie card. Oh, hello. I saw something sweet. 19/99. Let's have a look. Triple relic. Dwight Howard.
Nice.
Full court press. That is a sweet card. Check that out. Sorry. There we go. That is a sweet card. And there's the numbering for you. If I can stop it bloody glaring. That's a sweet card right there. That's nice. Oh,
Gold. First day issue. Who's your first day?
the first day issue is Dennis Rodman.
Nice.
Nice.
Gold rookie.
Michael Conley Gold rookie.
Nice.
Sweet. Sweet. And that is numbered 33/99. Sweet card. Sweet rookie card. And Nash. Steve Nash. Numbered to 199. Dual relic. Full court press. Nice. These are nice cards, eh?
20 years.
Yeah. The cards feel good though.
Nice. 99.
99,
Boy.
yeah. Sweet, sweet looking. John Stockton first day issue. Orlando Tucker. Oh, what do we got here? Something to 199. Another dual relic. Al Horford. Sweet. Dual relic. Full court press. Hopefully you can see that. Second last pack. Better make sure I stay inside the 10 minutes here.
Nice.
Jarrett Jack. First day issue is Drew Gooden in the Cavs.
Something else come on.
Carl Landry rookie. Oh, is that an extra?
Mm-hmm.
It's auto. Jason Smith. And then they don't number the X-Factor autos by the looks, so there you have it. So have a look at the packs and see if they've got odds on them while you're busting yours open. Oh, what's this? This is Photographer's Proof, Kevin Martin. Just that. Something different. Oh, Corey Brewer again. Tony Parker. Beam Team. And that's it, guys. That's the first box of Stadium Club. I quite liked it. So, alright, let's get cracking on the others. See you shortly.